Hey, I got an announcement. Oh, so this is about Monkey News. It's gonna be 5 episodes per season, and that's what we are gonna be doing. I posted the first 2 episodes for you guys to see, and I hope you like them. And this is just a little announcement that I want to announce. And thank you. But yeah, if you want to be in like my room or anything, or try to at least, I'll go show you the code. We go over here. Head into Stump. Then we have the computer. And then the code is MONKEYNEWS, aka Monkey News. So yeah, that is the code and everything to know about like how many episodes till like the next season. Also, season 2 is coming out June 29th, is my guess. Alright, see ya.